Well, the idea of Utah Orthopedics is that we wanted to create a state-of-the-art facility that featured doctors that are also practicing state-of-the-art medicine. We are all fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeons here, and what that means is that every orthopedic surgeon goes through the standard 5-year residency after medical school, but then we do an additional year of specialization in a particular area within orthopedics. Such as myself, I did an extra year of foot and ankle surgery after I completed orthopedics. We have specialists in total joint replacement. We have specialists in shoulder and knee reconstruction as well. Orthopedics is an extremely rewarding career because our patients get better. Even with the most disastrous injury, the most severe pain, we can almost always make people better. You know, I love it when patients tell us that they've gotten their life back because of something we've done to help them. But you know, that's what I've trained to do. That's my job. I'm an orthopedic surgeon.
Right. I went to doctors for about 2 years prior to coming to Utah Orthopedics. Nobody could figure it out. They tried different options, nothing worked, and I come to Dr. Bick, and he's the one that figured out exactly what was wrong and fixed it up. If I wouldn't have went to Utah Orthopedics, I'd probably be playing softball with my left hand, which ain't gonna be very good. I'd recommend Utah Orthopedics to anybody that has any in mind shoulder injury or any other injury. I'd highly recommend Utah Orthopedics.
We put into place here at Utah Orthopedics accelerated therapy protocols for virtually every injury. Our protocols are designed to restore full function in an accelerated fashion as well. You're a person that's healing and you're a mind that's healing. If you can get the person and the mind, or the body and the mind together and focus strongly and virtually on I'm going to heal, then I think you'll find that your result comes faster and actually you will heal even better. And what I truly love about my job is that I'm able to actually make people better, and to the point where many times their lives are normal again. When that patient leaves our office and they are better and they can go home and go play baseball with their son or go out for a run and not have pain, then I feel like I've been able to accomplish something. And that's what makes my day worth it every single day to come into the office. What we did when we designed our building here was we tried to incorporate what we feel as patients into the design flow and processes that you experience here in our office. We think that helps not only a peace of mind, but we feel strongly that it will aid in healing and recovery time as well.
I came into Utah Orthopedics to have an ankle replacement or fused, and I got that, and it's been great ever since. There's been no more pain, and that's the big thing. I couldn't get around very much. I couldn't walk very far. Well, good thing I couldn't go shopping with my wife, but now I have to.
I was in a motorcycle accident over 30 years ago, and pain just kept getting worse and worse and worse, so I couldn't walk, and the leg was no good to me. They were going to take it off in the first place, and just fortunate that I came in here. Dr. Rocco took a look at it, liked the way the foot looked, and fixed the leg. 3 months later, I've got a straight leg. I'm looking really good, feeling great. Therapy's been nice and slow and easy. Dr. Rocco really keeps an eye on me because I try to push it, and you can't. 3 months in the halo and one more surgery to lengthen the calf muscle, and we'll be walking again. Utah Orthopedics is a bright spot in my life. It's God sent to me. I can't believe the treatment I get here and the wonderful people.
So I was involved in a skiing accident where I went in really hard, had a Bankart lesion. The pain was excruciating. I didn't know if I was ever going to be able to get any of my stability and mobility back. And then I came into Utah Orthopedics and it's 100%, feels excellent. As a matter of fact, since then, after the therapy, I later was in a four-wheeling accident and rolled my four-wheeler onto me and on that same shoulder, and it held up.
What happened was I was in an automobile accident, the first one I've ever had, at 70, and I hit the brake so hard that it broke my foot. And my daughter said to me, "Why don't you go see Dr. Rocco?" Because he had operated on my son-in-law, and he'd saved his leg and his foot. This guy just at Utah Orthopedics, Dr. Rocco was just something else.
If you've had an injury or chronic pain that you were worried would never get better, we here at Utah Orthopedics are committed to helping you get back in the game and restore your life to normal. Please give us a call.